Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little Jurlique unboxing. I love their skincare so much. They're such a favourite brand of mine and I'm very low on their products at the moment. So I did a little order and today I thought I'd unbox what I got. So let's get into it. So in case you don't know, Jurlique are an Australian brand who have their own rose farm. So a lot of their products are rose based, but they also do a lot of lavender, they do citrus, they do jasmine, they do some beautiful, very natural, very lovely, very beautiful scent filled fragrances, which literally are scent filled from the flowers. They're not perfumed. And their skincare is gorgeous. It's very natural, it's very hydrating, it's very balancing. It's great if you've got dry or sensitive skin. And it's just nice if you want a treat. So I have been using their products for maybe like 10 years at this point. Their hand cream is iconic. Their cleansing oil is gorgeous, but I'm going to show you what I got because these I think are my favourite products from the entire brand. So yeah, let me show you. So the first thing I got does look a bit dog-eared. That was Mary, apologies. It actually came in pristine condition, but it is the hand cream. It does come in two different sizes, but I went for the giant one because this is literally my favourite hand cream in the world, and I figured I'd just buy one big tube rather than multiple little ones. The lavender one is beautiful, but to be honest, the rose one is my absolute favourite. I feel like Jurlique are just, they're so good at roses. They're known for roses, and the rose is always my go-to. If you're going to try anything from Jurlique, it has to be the hand cream. It is phenomenal. So next up, I needed a new shower gel and I was going to get the rose one, but the rose one was out of stock. So I went for the lemon, geranium and clary sage. I figured it was a good opportunity to give it a go. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells like a spa. It's incredible. Yeah, that is so good. That is amazing. I actually didn't think it would be better than the rose because the rose is spectacular, but that is gorgeous. Okay, next up, I got the cleansing oil. I love their cleansing oil. I genuinely think it's one of the best cleansing oils on the market. It just removes all my makeup. It's incredible. I love it. I have been using it for years. It feels really light. It's really nourishing. It takes all my makeup off super easily, super quickly, never stripping. It's gorgeous. So if you are a fan of a cleansing oil, I highly recommend this one. It's very beautiful. It smells incredible as well, but not again because it's been perfumed, just because it contains so many beautiful botanicals and florals. Oh yes, next up I've got the Rare Rose Cream. Now I actually have a pot of this on the go at the moment, but I love it so much that I wanted to have another pot for when it's finished. It's just such a good face cream. It's super hydrating. It feels really light. It's really comfortable. It's really like, it lasts all day because my skin by the end of the day can often get quite dry and tight. It lasts all day long. It smells incredible. It's great under makeup. It's great on its own. I just love it. It's such a good face cream. Great if you have dry and sensitive skin like me. And yeah, I just love it. So here it is again. It is incredible. And here is the pot. I think you can use it day and night. I personally do. Although generally at night I layer it up with the face oil, which brings me on to... And here it is. It is the firming face oil. The Jurlique face oils are incredible. I just love them so much. I have really dry, sensitive skin and I don't know, it just plumps up my skin. It hydrates, it nourishes, it's comfortable. It doesn't feel greasy. It just feels lovely. It lasts all day. It's great for the day, great for the evening. And I don't tend to wear much face makeup. Like right now, I'm obviously wearing eyeliner. I'm obviously wearing lipstick. I'm obviously wearing brows, but I haven't actually got anything on my skin because I just don't have time. Honestly, having a toddler is wild. It just takes up so much of your time and you just don't have time for makeup, including like heavy face makeup. And you're always kissing them, so you don't want to like transfer makeup onto their skin. Anyway, so I try to kind of keep my skin looking good so that I don't feel like I should be wearing a lot of face makeup. And I do feel like this face oil works really well for me. And it just keeps my face comfortable all day because, again, I get very dry. I'm like a lizard. Oh, I was about to dig into the box for my next item, but that is it. That's my full collection. That's everything I got. I love Jurlique. These are like my top 5 products. I'm trying to think if there's anything else which is a must-have. Probably their Rose Mist, which is insane. It's so good. The serum is also gorgeous. Honestly, everything by Jurlique is so beautiful. But yeah, these were the items that I really needed and I thought I would share them with you. Anyway, that's my video. Huge fan of the brand. If you haven't checked them out before, I really highly recommend. I love what they do. It's all so beautiful. And yeah, if you've got dry, sensitive skin, if you love roses, they are the go-to rose brand. They have their own rose farm. How cool is that? One day I'm going to go visit. I really am. I've decided. Anyway, I love what they do. Products are incredible. Great for dry, sensitive skin. Great for rose lovers. And yeah, love what they do. Just a gorgeous, natural, hardworking, gorgeous brand. Love them. Love them. I'm such a fan. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.